Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Aura frame not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So Aura frames can struggle during the setup on the mixed networks. So you need to simply go to your router settings first. Then you need to temporarily disable the 5 GHz and create a separate 2.4 GHz network. Complete the setup on 2.4 GHz and then you can switch back later. Now in newer iOS versions, the apps need permission to access the local devices. So you can go to the settings of your iPhone. There you can find the Aura application. After that, you can enable the local networks and Bluetooth. Without this, the frame may not connect during the setup. If you are using a mesh Wi-Fi system, you can connect your phone to the main router node during the setup. The Aura frames sometimes fail to connect when the setup is done through a secondary node. If your router is set to WPA3 only, the frame may not connect. So you need to basically switch it to WPA2 mixed mode and then you need to simply try again. Now, if none of the methods are working, you can just simply do a quick reset. In it, you just have to find the factory reset button on your Aura frame. You need to use a pinhole in order to basically press it. So now you need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Then wait until you see the lights on the Aura frame. Once you see that, it simply means that it is ready for the fresh connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.